I was there one day and this idea came to my head. So how about do 3 braids, a twist, and then let the hair loose. And I wanted to use the Kima Ocean Wave hair. You can also use the Free Tress Niagara because they have the same curl pattern. So this is the idea that came to me. It looked much nicer, thinner, but I think it's working. Do a 3-strand braid and then turn into a 2-strand twist and then let the hair loose. So that's what I have done here. And where the hair transitions from 3 to 2 strands, I put braid jewelry or hair jewelry in it. I just braided my hair and crocheted the hair into my natural hair, and I braided it, and this is the result. I love it so much. So guys, if you want to see, keep watching. It's a joke world. It's a joke world, baby.
Your hair looks like a spider. Your hair looks like a spider.
To be using Kima braid, the Ocean Wave in 14-inch, one in color 30, color 4, and 2 1B. There is nothing new under the sun, and so I'm sure somebody's already done it, but I'm not even going to research and find out if somebody's done it. And I don't even know what to name it or what to call it to search, right? So I was like, hey, came to me, I'm just going to do it and see how it looks. So here we go. Kima Ocean Wave, very popular hair. Hair smells weird. They're pretty chunky. So I'm going to take quite a bit of hair to balance it out. So I'm going to take 3. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3. And then I'll take 2. 1, 2. I'm going to crochet the 2 in my hair first. And I have different crochet needle sizes. I'm going to use this big one. Put the hair on my pointer finger, like so. I'm going to release the hair onto the latch hook needle. Close the pin, pull 1 strand of the hair through, like so. And at this point, if you are doing any kind of braid, like twist, you could do it. But I'm doing something else. make sure that my braid is hidden between the two hairs that I put initially, like this. Just gather them together and then just braid. And you want a 3-strand braid. Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Marissa Joe. If you like hair, makeup, and DIYs, go ahead and subscribe to this channel.